Are you looking for the best rebounder trampolines? In this video we will look at some of the best rebounder trampolines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting our number 1, FitBounce Pro 2 Bungee Rebounder. The FitBounce Pro 2 Bungee Rebounder is designed for safety, durability, and maximum results. Whether you are rebounding for fun, fitness, or therapy, this is a quiet and sturdy option. The mat is held in place by 60 elastic bungees. Most other bungee rebounders use 30. Or even less depending on size. The mat surface provides over 2 feet of space for whatever exercises and movements you like. You'll receive a free exercise DVD and bounce counter with the FitBounce Pro 2, as well as a 3-month membership to the online workout streaming service with access to hundreds more exercises. The full size of the rebounder, which is 40 inches, folds in half to fit into a handy storage bag that zips up. When you need it out of the way or are transporting it, just fold, zip and carry. Setting it up is just as easy. Setting up the FitBounce Pro Mini Trampolines from Rebound Fitness. This small trampoline is one of those preferred by gyms, instructors, and athletes worldwide for a reason. We tested this one specifically because of the hype and found that it really isn't hype. Our number 2, Marximus Life Bounce and Burn Mini Trampoline. The Marximus Life Bounce is another mini trampoline that gyms and instructors prefer. One of the best features of this rebounder is that you can fold it in half, and then in half again, so it is easily transported with the included convenient storage bag. Keep it out of sight when not in use or take it with you to the gym or while traveling. Built to last, this mini trampoline can support a user up to 300 pounds. When you purchase your Marximus Life Bounce mini trampoline, you will also receive 3 months membership to their online fitness videos. When tested, we found we got a very low impact experience and the rebounder was also very quiet, which was nice. The mat is sturdy as well. It came with sand weights that helped to increase the efficacy of the workout for some of us that were more advanced in rebounding exercising. The rubber on the bottom of the feet also left no marks on the floor. Another great feature. We found the MaXimus to be one of the best rounders on Amazon. Our number 3, Ancheer Rebounder Trampoline. The Ancheer Rebounder Trampoline offers users many choices. You can choose a rebounder that is fixed and does not fold at all. You can choose one that only folds once, or choose one that folds twice so it is even smaller. You also have a choice in size, either 38 or 40. Some models have 6 legs and some have 8 depending on the size and foldability. The mat of the mini rebounder is made of a sturdy PP material and the legs are covered with a slip-resistant and non-marking covering that also helps to reduce noise. The Ancheer rebounder comes with quiet and rust-resistant springs that are covered with a safety shield made of thick PVC-type material. It only took us about 15 minutes to assemble this mini rebounder and then we were off and bouncing. It was fairly quiet and definitely sturdy. The Ancheer has a max weight limit of 220 pounds and is recommended for anyone ages 10 and up. It is also available in 2 sizes of 38 inches across and 40 inches across. For less than $100, it's the best fitness trampoline on our list. Our number 4, Stamina 36-inch Folding Trampoline. The smaller size of the 36-inch exercise trampoline allows you to use it in smaller areas like apartments and small homes. Not only is it smaller when in use, but the 6 legs are removable and the top folds into a smaller area to make storage or transportation of the trampoline much easier. The frame is made of strong and sturdy steel. This trampoline can safely handle a user of up to 250 pounds and the product itself weighs 14 pounds, which makes it easy to move if needed. The Stamina folding trampoline is covered by a 1-year warranty on the frame as well as a 90-day warranty on parts. Stamina as a brand stands by their products and takes pride in putting out quality products. We enjoyed the fact that this trampoline was a bit smaller and was so easy to move around and store in tiny areas if needed. We all agreed it's the best rebounder trampoline. Our number 5, Marximus Pro Folding Rebounder. Next we have another MaXimus that is similar to the Bounce and Burn above. However, the Pro model here is a heavier duty rebounder that can support just over 300 pounds. In addition to the extra weight it can support, it comes with a balance bar. This is great feature to beginners just getting started with rebounding, or someone has balance issues or recovering from an injury. The Pro is a complete workout package as it comes with weights and resistance bands plus 2 workout DVDs giving you complete workouts. In addition to the DVDs you will also receive 3 months membership to their online fitness videos offering hundreds of different workout ideas so you don't get bored. The MaXimus Pro is portable. The legs all fold up and the rebounder then folds in half to fit in the included carry bag with a convenient carry strap. You can buy the MaXimus with confidence. This is a high-quality rebounder made with durable materials to last for years. You will pay more for the Pro, but you will get the best mini trampoline rebounder. Our number 6, JumpSport 370 Fitness Trampoline. With many hundreds of 5-star reviews on Amazon, the JumpSport 250 Cardio Fitness Rebounder is a quality rebounder trampoline. With a sturdy design, the JumpSport is made to last. It uses elastic cords, so it's a quieter rebounder than one made with coiled metal springs. The bands have been tested with millions of bounces, so you can be assured you will be using the JumpSport for a long time to come. The large 39 frame gives you a large 35.5 jumping area for plenty of room. We really like the design of the legs. They have an arch shape that gives it extra stability when rebounding. Included are 4 workout DVDs that have large variety of workouts for you to try, plus a 60 trial to their complete library of online workouts to keep you jumping for years. One thing to note about the JumpSport is that it does not fold up. However, with a solid frame it's sturdier than a comparable folding model rebounder. If you are looking for the best rebounder for lymphatic drainage, look no further.